Saturday is a special day, especially for Doge fans, as SNL is about to welcome Elon Musk to its long list of hosts. We love a good parody, but the ability to capture the essence of the coin has never been more evident than in Elon Musk's tweets. Whether he's calling it the currency of the people or tweeting memes, the Tesla boss has a unique way of showing his preference for what he called the people's currency. It's clear that his funny tweets have attracted SNL producers, but what will happen to the currency's price? Can Doge get to 80 or 90 cents? Well, almost certainly. Is it likely to rise as usual, or are we about to experience a new support level previously not envisaged? For now, it's clear that a rally is almost inevitable at this point, but the extent of the rally and the duration will be contingent on how the show goes. Remember that Dogecoin has already appreciated recently after the slump on Doge Day, so we can only expect the currency to appreciate after Elon Musk goes on Saturday Night Live. Some of us watch SNL and some don't, but it's seen several politicians, artists, and sportscasters present comedic pieces to a live audience. On Saturday, Elon Musk is scheduled to present the show, and this means a few things. Firstly, we can expect him to poke fun at Doge or make light of the fact that the cryptocurrency continues to dominate Twitter and the media, even though Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to win the price race. So what will happen to the price of Doge after his appearance on SNL? Well, before we dive right in, make sure you leave a like on this video, tap the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications on this channel, as it helps more people find us and equally helps you get up-to-date information on developments on Doge and the broader crypto market. With that said, let's jump right in. Dogecoin has often spiked following tweets from Elon Musk, but I wonder what a live appearance on SNL would mean. The Tesla boss is scheduled to attend the widely watched program in the US on Saturday, and he's likely to talk about Dogecoin. The price of Doge has been averaging around the 60 cents marker, and the currency has rallied strongly following the slump that Dogecoin experienced after Doge Day. The coin has been enjoying one of its best years, and its price has risen by more than 11,000%. While this might seem outlandish at first, let's remind ourselves that the currency is trading under $1. At the time of recording, Dogecoin was changing hands at about 60 cents, down actually 1.6% in the past 24 hours, but up around 11,000% so far in 2021, according to CoinDesk. The rocket-high price, by recent measures, is causing some industry experts and analysts to worry that the currency might be going through a bubble phase. This is peculiar as the amount of Dogecoin in supply dwarfs most of the other cryptocurrencies, and it's trading at a meager price. Let's put this into context for you. There are currently 123 billion Doge coins in circulation, while this number stands at 21 million for Bitcoin, 84 million for Litecoin, and 115 million for Ethereum. So it's difficult to say that the currency with the largest amounts of coins in circulation is a bubble when the price continues to suffer from a positive supply shock. So it's challenging to see how a meme-based currency is going through a bubble when Bitcoin at $55,000 seems reasonably priced. So talk of bubbles is exaggerated. If the price of Doge got to $100, maybe there would be reasons to worry that it might be nearing bubble territory. So yes, Saturday is a big deal. SNL will be pretty special for Doge because Elon Musk will undoubtedly talk about the currency. Unlike his appearance on Clubhouse, he's unlikely to speak of the large holders who should liquidate their holdings to reduce the concentration of people who own significant portions of the currency. Over 28% of the currency is owned by a single individual, which distorts the gains observed when the price rallies. And the crypto has been deemed the currency of the people, so for this to not turn into a fallacy, people need to afford the currency, but the gains from any sudden surges in the price must be evenly spread. On Saturday, Dogecoin will likely rise to 70 to 80 cents, based on the ratings and viewings from the show. Some people will say that Elon Musk has a more considerable Twitter following than the viewings from SNL. The Tesla boss boasts over 50 million Twitter followers, which rose by 1,000% on February 4th after a single tweet. So it's likely that the internet will go into a frenzy, which will generate demand for Doge. Of course, these things are challenging to forecast, but a rally is almost inevitable. We can debate the extent of the rally based on the nature of the show and how much people latch onto the program. But the fact that he'll be comparing Doge and making light of it as an investor is the point. Meanwhile, his actions will differ from broader developments in the market. Tesla customers can now buy their car with Bitcoin, and Tesla has invested heavily in the digital currency, buying $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. So we can see how people will buy into the currency based on Elon Musk's integrity as a tech investor, but equally as the boss of Tesla. Many retail investors have taken to Robinhood to invest in Doge as they did GameStop to prevent short selling from hedge funds. So many investors will challenge the status quo and buy some Doge, not least to challenge traditional investing. The meme-based nature of Doge is what makes it particularly entertaining, and many people hold Doge for different reasons. Some people simply want to invest, while others want to hold the currency as it's becoming increasingly used across Europe and North America. So yeah, I forecast a rally in Doge, and I think it's the sort of rally that takes Doge to a pretty high point. I think the critical support has been breached twice in the last week already. The 34 cents and 40 cents have already been breached. This is good news for Doge traders and holders, but some might caution over optimism, as the currency might be seeing premature gains before the show. The recent rally equally accompanies broader developments in crypto markets. The price of Doge has often spiked following tweets from Elon Musk. The Tesla and SpaceX boss recently called the currency his favorite cryptocurrency and the people's crypto. Musk is also a Bitcoin supporter, and seeing that his company has invested $1.5 billion worth into it, and you can buy their cars with it, I sense a bit of reverse marketing. But while he hasn't officially backed Doge, the currency's surge has usually accompanied his tweets. Last Wednesday, he sent a tweet that caused shockwaves. He simply tweeted the Doge Father SNL May 8th. This references his frequent tweets about Dogecoin from its inception to his post-SEC Twitter storm. He has previously claimed that they were meant to be jokes, and his planned appearance on SNL next week might be evidence of this. So Saturday is a pretty big day, and if Elon doesn't tweet about the currency, well, Mark Cuban will likely be watching. Mark Cuban, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, has equally thrown his weight behind the currency by accepting it for payments for merchandise for the Dallas Mavericks. Mark equally made several tweets about the cryptocurrency this week, and the billionaire entrepreneur and TV personality said his NBA team was on track to complete 6,000 Dogecoin transactions in April. Doge is the coin that people use for transactions, Cuban said, when asked by a user why he was backing Dogecoin. People spend their Doge, and that means more businesses will start taking it. So all this suggests that the currency has got some legitimate backing, and Saturday Night Live is the opportunity for Musk to parody the cryptocurrency, but equally the SEC. We're working on deposits and withdrawals, Vlad Tenev, the CEO of Robinhood, tweeted, not just for Doge, but all coins on Robinhood Crypto. This will make the currency more investable, and withdrawals will facilitate payments across other platforms, more so as the currency is accepted by the business community across the US, Europe, and Canada, just to name a few. So, in conclusion, Elon Musk's appearance on Saturday Night Live will probably instigate a massive Dogecoin rally. I can see the currency rising to 70 to 80 cents. This is, of course, very bullish, but no one expected that Doge would get to 60 cents after the crash that it experienced last week. Let's not forget that the broader cryptocurrency market is equally rallying, so some of the euphoria is not entirely Doge-related. But I think Saturday Night Live will be a significant boost for the price of Doge. Thanks for watching until the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, consider sharing it with your friends, maybe subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. What are your feelings about Doge and SNL tomorrow night? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them down below as well. Be sure to check out some of our previous videos and tonight's upcoming video as well. Good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.